Hey everyone, so today we're going to be hanging this mirror on this wall. Here it's unfinished, I need to paint here, but before I do, this is a tomorrow me problem. We're going to hang this mirror. So really quickly I'm going to show you a trick of how to make sure that you center these holes on the wall and level them with level. So you're gonna template this with blue tape. I'm going to show you how to do that, and then level the holes so you make sure the mirror is straight. So let's go ahead and do that. What we're dealing with here, let's see where we have a stud. Yeah, we should have one here, and we can see that there is also a nail here from the previous trim that was hanging here. But if I want to center the mirror here, then essentially I'm not going to be able to hit any studs. So I'm going to use drywall anchors for that. So now we need to line these holes, right? So I can start measuring and I can do a lot of like the stuff and math and stuff like that. But today we're not going to do that. I'm going to show you how to do that with the blue tape. So let's go ahead. Mary, are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's take tape. Put the drill here.
Oh.
Good job, buddy. And we're gonna take this much tape and rip it like this, and then we're gonna tape. Oh, I took a little bit too little. Let's see. So we need this much, right? Mm-hmm. Okay. So we're gonna take tape. You see, and I'm gonna stick it on the mirror itself, and then I'm gonna trace the hole like so and like so, right? So as you can see here, I have blue tape with both holes, and I'm gonna place them here. And right now I'm just gonna kind of eyeball it, right? And I have a laser level, but I honestly, I tried for like 20 minutes to find it, and I couldn't. So a laser level will honestly make it easier, but we don't need to. Like, this small level can be okay. Okay, so let's do this. Buddy, can you help me? Okay, so this one is here, and then this is level with this one. Okay, so I think it's pretty level, to be honest. I don't think it's that bad. Let's see again. This is level with this one, and this is level with this one. Yeah, I think that's good. Okay, perfect. So this one is looking good. No! Okay, so this one is looking good. So what I'm gonna do now, I have a center punch here, and I'm gonna use a center punch, but honestly you can use a screwdriver because drywall is super soft, and mark the holes. And take off the tape, and as you can see there's a hole here and there's a hole here. Okay, Neria, now we do the drill. You ready? And we're gonna take
Under 4?
Do 4, yes. So we're gonna take 2 drywall anchors and place them here. Okay, buddy, you ready? Let's go. All right. Stand here. Place this inside. And go. Wait. Perfect. Now let me do this one because it's pretty far, okay? Can I do that one?
No.
You want to do this?
Yeah.
Let me hold you. Oh, fell off.
I can pick.
Let me do the first 1 second and then you'll do the rest, okay? Okay, come on. Go. Good job. All right. So now that the drywall anchors are in, we're gonna put the screws in. Almost to the end. And because we measured with the blue tape, the mirror should just slide into these holes. Right there. And right there. And then slide in. Nice and easy. Can we see ourselves? Oh.
Let's put that.
All right, so this job is done. All right, so as you can see with my little helper, say hello.
Hello.
This job is done. Say, see you in the next one.
See you in the next one.
Bye, everyone.